Nagulantang ang marami nang ang PNP chief na si General Nicolas Torre ay masibak sa kanyang posisyon.
Sir, you have the right to remain silent. You have the right for counsel of your choice. Anything you say may be used for and against you in a court of law. And I want to ask you, sir, if you understand these rights.
Of course, coming from you, it's very clear.
Sa relentless effort, kaya ito nakuha siya ngayon si Pastor Nicolay.
Hindi, wala akong comment regarding that matter kasi nga si Secretary Abalos, tanungin nyo. Ako si General Nicolas Torre III na itinalaga sa katungkulan bilang Chief of the Philippine National Police.
Senator Panfilo Lacson, a former PNP chief himself, said Torre may have been dismissed after relieving Nartates Jr. without clearance from Malacanang.
Tinanggal na sa pwesto bilang hepe ng Philippine National Police si Police General Nicolas Torre III.
Inihayag ni DILG Secretary John Vic Rimulya na walang nilabag at walang kasong hinaharap si General Nicolas Torre III kasunod ng kanyang pagkakatanggal bilang PNP chief.
Ako si Police Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Corpus Nartates Jr. na itinalaga sa katungkulan bilang Officer in Charge, Philippine National Police.
Wala akong sama ng loob and I'm a good soldier. Kung may order, I just follow it.